Hello everyone, today I will focus on exercise based problem. So before starting class I will check voice. Okay, voice is clear or not, then I will start. Where were my mobile? Before I will start the class, wait. I will check voice. Voice is clear. Voice is clear. Now today we'll focus on exercise based problem on the integration. Okay, here integration of x dx divided by x square, definite integration x dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 1. How can solve this type of problem? Simply, I have already discussed if px integration of px plus q divided by how much, ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Okay, then how can solve? Simply px plus q, this will be equal to a into differentiation of denominator plus a new constant b. After that calculate a and b, and that one replace to this part, and after that integrate. Okay, so how can do? Simply look here. So x this will be equal to a into differentiation of denominator. Differentiation means x square plus 2x plus 1, okay, with respect to dx, okay, plus b. Look here very carefully. X this will be equal to a into 2x plus 2 plus b. So x this will be equal to 2a into x plus 2a plus b. Okay, so 2a this will be equal to how much? 1, and 2a plus b this will be equal to how much? 0. Okay, simply coefficient of x is how much? 2a. In this side coefficient of x is 1, so simply 2a this will be equal to 1. Now here what about constant? Is 0. Simply x, so what about c plus 0 you can write now. So you can say that 2a plus b this will be equal to how much? 0. So if a is how much? A by 2, then b is how much? Minus 1. Okay, put that value, 2a this will be equal to 1, so b this will be equal to minus 1. So a is 1 by 2 and b is minus 1. So you can replace that one and that one. Okay, so right now here very carefully, 1 by 2 into a is basically 1 by 2 into differentiation of denominator. This one into 2x plus 2 into dx divided by denominator, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. B is how much? Minus 1. So minus 1 into dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 1. I hope so clear. Now look here, if this one is t, so that one dt. If denominator part taken t, then numerator part is dt. Look here, if this one t, this one, if this one is t, that one dt. So you can say that 1 by t, integration of 1 by t dt is simply log t. So that one you can simply log t. But how can you integrate this one? So first of all, if this one, if quadratic equation are given like that one, then first of all make perfect square. So how can make perfect square? Simply x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so that one written simply, this one basically x plus 1 to the whole square. Why? Because here x square into 2 into 1 into x plus 1 to the square. So that's why written x plus 1 to the whole square. Very simple. So you can say that this one written 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2 into dx divided by how much? X square plus 2x plus 1 minus dx divided by how much? X plus 1 to the whole square. Okay. Now what about that value 1 by 2? If this one is t, that one dt. So log of modulus of x square plus 2x plus 1, and that one written simply, this one basically 1 by t square. Integration of 1 by t square written simply minus 1 by t. So you can say that plus 1 by x plus 1 and new constant c. If anyone faced doubt why this one written, simply look here. If anyone face, sir, how can write now here? So simply here t to power minus 2 dt, then what about value t to power minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 by t plus constant c1. Okay, I hope so clear. So t basically how much? X plus 1. So replace t, replace to x plus 1. So final answer like that one. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, at any step, that is step number 1, step number 2, 3, 4, and after that 5. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. So I face the doubt corresponding to that step, I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay. Now I will explain again. Wait. If you not understand, then I will explain again. In question given, x divided by x square plus 2x plus 1 dx is given. So how can integrate? Simply, if this one x written a into denominator, differentiation of denominator plus new constant b. Okay, after that differentiate we got like that one. Then comparing x coefficient is how much? 1 by 2, and constant here 0, so that is written 0. So we got b is how much? Minus 1. Now these two value put here, then we got like that one. After that we are focused on how can simply, if this one is t, then that one dt. So written like log of x square, simply log of x square plus 2x plus 1, and now, and this one basically x plus 1 to the whole square. So simply integrate 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1. So here minus minus plus. Okay, I hope so clear. If anyone face any doubt, otherwise I will focus on next question, question number 2. Okay. Okay, this one, if you want to more simplification, so this one is also written x plus 1 to the whole square. So 2 into log of x plus 1 and plus x plus 1 plus c. So 2 cancelled. So final answer like that one. Otherwise you can write now here. Okay, if you want to more simplification, so written this one x plus 1 to the whole square and x plus 1 to the whole square, basically 2 into log of x plus 1. Okay, so clear. Now we are focused on next problem, question number 2. Okay, question number 2, integration of, written here integration, second problem is integration of 2x plus 3 divided by how much? X square plus 3x minus 10 into dx. Okay, how can solve? How can solve this type of problem? How can solve this type of problem? Simply look here. First of all, everyone can try. Okay, first of all, everyone can try. How can try? Simply 2x plus 3, this is equal to how much? 2x plus 3, this is equal to how much? A into differentiation of denominator, that is 2x plus 3 and plus a new constant b. After that 2x plus 3 is written as this one, written multiply 2a into x plus 3a plus b. Now compare x here 2 this will be equal to 2a. So a this will be equal to how much? 1. 3a this will be 3a plus b, this will be equal to 3. So what about b? B this will be equal to 0. Okay, this question is very simple because this one is t, this one dt. Okay, so very simple. 2x plus 3 into dx divided by how much? X square plus no need this procedure. Okay, why? Because this one is t, then that one dt. So simply this one is log of how much? Modulus of x square plus 3x minus 10 plus c is the right answer. Okay. Okay. So I will focus on next problem. Problem number 3. Integration. Problem number 3. Integration of x upon how much? X square minus 5x plus 6 into dx. Okay. How can solve this type of problem? Simply you can solve, you can also you can do this question 2 method. Okay, this one here x square minus 5x plus 6 is written as how much? X minus 3 into x minus 2. So finally we can say that function is x upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. Then after that focus on partial fraction. Okay, otherwise you can solve this procedure. X this will be equal to a into differentiation of denominator plus b. Okay, so x this will be equal to 2a into x minus 5a plus b. So 2a, compare 2a this will be equal to 1, and what about a? A this will be equal to half. Then what about b? Minus 5a plus b this will be equal to 0. So b this will be equal to 5a. So you can say that 5 upon 2. B is how much? 5 upon 2. Okay. Now this one written, a is 1 by 2 into 2x minus 5 divided by how much? X square minus 5x plus 6 into dx, and b is how much? 5 by 2 into integration of dx divided by how much? X square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, now look here, if this one is t, then that one dt. And how can solve this type of problem? Simply here x square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus 5x plus 6 is written as x minus 2 into x minus 3. So what about x minus 2 into x minus 3? That one written 1 upon x minus 3 minus x minus 2. Okay, take LCM, then we got how much? X minus 2 plus x minus 3. Okay, if you take LCM, then we got how much? X minus 2 plus minus x plus 3 divided by same thing. So you can say that that one cancel, plus 1. So you can say that this one written how much? 1 upon x minus 3 minus x minus 2. Okay, so you can say that this part 1 by 2 into 2x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 into dx plus 5 by 2 into integration of 1 upon x minus 3 dx minus 5 by 2 into integration of x minus 2 dx. Okay, then what about that value? 1 by 2 into log of modulus of x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 5 by 2 into log of modulus of x minus 3, and here minus 5 by 2 into log of modulus of x minus 2 plus c. After that 1 by 2 into log of x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, and that one basically how much? Plus 5 by 2 into log of modulus of x minus 3 upon x minus 2 plus c. Okay, also clear? Okay, now after that look here very carefully. You can also solve here 1 by 2 and that one written log of x minus 3 plus half into log of modulus of x minus 2. This one written basically here x minus 2 into x minus 3. So log of a into b is written as log of a plus log of b, and here 1 by 2 into something, so 1 by 2 into log of x minus 3 plus log half into log of 2 x minus 2, and that one here log of mod of x minus 3 and minus 5 by 2 into log of x minus 2 plus c. So look here, that one plus that one, 6 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 3 by simply 3. 3 into log of mod of x minus 3, and this minus this is how much? 1 minus 5 by 1 minus 5, that is minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. So minus 2 into log of mod of x minus 2 plus c is the final answer. This is the final answer. Okay, if anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, this question is very simple. Simply this question is given x upon integration of x upon x square minus 5x plus 6 dx is given. Then how can solve? You can, this question you can do two method. First one, simply written x upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. Then you can use partial fraction. Then after that put that value a and b and whatever, and then you can integrate. Otherwise you can you can solve this question corresponding to this procedure, x this equal to a into differentiation of denominator plus b. Then you can calculate a and b, and after that put this value, okay, and integrate, and final answer like that one. Okay, so now next problem is question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is x plus 1 integration of x plus 1 upon how much? That is x square plus x plus 3. X square plus x plus 3 into dx. How can solve this type of problem? Simply look here very carefully. X plus integration of x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 3 dx. First of all, look, if this one is t, then dt no, because of dt is how much, 2x plus 1, but here x plus 1. So you can go in procedure, x plus 1, this will be equal to a into, okay. Basically, if this type of problem is available, then first of all make t and dt. Means what the meaning of this one? What about differentiation of this one? Here 2x plus 1. So if here written 2x plus 1, okay. Basically our motto, we want in numerator 2x plus 1. So how can make 2x plus 1? Okay. So if 1 by 2 is multiply, okay, then we got how much, 2x, but here 1 by 2, so again 1 by 2 is adding also, dx divided by how much, x square plus x plus 3. Okay, I am so clear. If this one is t, then that one dt, and after that how can solve. Otherwise you can follow this procedure and we got that value. If you can do corresponding to this method. So x plus 1 is written as a into differentiation of denominator 2x plus 1 plus b. Okay, now so x plus 1 this will be equal to a into 2a into x plus a plus b. So 2a this will be equal to 1 and a plus b this will be equal to 1. So you can say that what about b? B this will be equal to 1 minus half. So what about b? B basically 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2, then b is also 1 by 2. So that value put here. So 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1, same thing, and b is 1 by 2, then we got same thing. I hope so clear. You can follow this method or you can follow this method. If you feel more comfortable, more complicated, then follow this method. Okay, I hope so clear. So we got a and b. Now these two value. If this one is t, that is dt. So how can solve? Simply make perfect square. X square plus x plus 3. Make perfect square. X square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. So basically 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 3. So you can say that x plus half to the whole square, and what about that value, 3, 12 minus 1, that is 12 minus 1, that's 11. So you can say that root 11 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, so basically that part is replaced to that part. Okay, I hope so clear what I am saying. 1 by 2 integration of 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 3 into dx plus half into integration of dx divided by how much, x plus half to the whole square plus root 11 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, now what about that value, 1 by 2 into log of modulus of x square plus x plus 3 plus half into 1 by 2, 1 by a, basically dx divided by x square plus a square is how much, 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a plus c. Okay, now look, if this type of here dx divided by x square plus a square is written as how much, 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a. So this one matching corresponding that one. So x basically x plus half, and what about a? A basically root 11 by 2. So that's why written 1 by 2. See here 1 by 2 into 1 by a. A is 1 by root 11 by 2 into tan inverse how much? X plus half divided by root 11 by 2 plus c. Okay. So 1 by 2 into log of modulus of, and that is 2 to cancel, so written 1 by root 11 into tan inverse 2x plus 1 upon root 11 plus c is the right answer. If anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay? If anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step, then I will discuss again. Okay. Now we have focused on next problem, question number 5. That is question number 4. After that we have focused on question number 5. Wait, I will explain again. Our motto, how can solve this type of problem? Simply, first of all, this one written a into differentiation of denominator plus b. After that calculate a and b, this value put here. Okay. After that we got how much, like that one. If this one is t, then that one dt. After that this one making perfect square. Okay. If this one make perfect square, then put that value. Okay. And this one matching corresponding to that formula, so x replaced to 1 by 2, sorry, x replaced to x plus 1 by 2 and a replaced to root 11 by 2. So now these two value put here, and then we got how much. After that integrate and find the answer. Okay. Now I will focus on next problem. Problem number 5. Okay. Wait. Integration of, that is 3x plus 5 divided by how much? X square plus 2x minus 3 into dx. Okay. So basically 3x plus 5, sorry, x square plus 5 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3x into dx. How can solve this type of problem? Look here very carefully. Again, same concept apply. 3x plus 5 is written as a into differentiation of x square plus 2x minus 3, sorry, 2x plus 2 plus b. Otherwise, you can solve this question very carefully. Here 3x plus 5 into dx. Okay. What is our motto? Our motto, we are focused first of all making this one corresponding to, if this one is t, then that one dt. So how can make dt? Dt means here 2x plus how much? 2 want, but here 3x plus 5. So if 3 by 2 common, then written 2x into dx. Okay, look here. So basically here 2 to 3, so 2 into dx divided by how much? X square plus 2x plus 3. Okay. Now if you solve, then we got same value. Okay, 3 plus 2. So basically that value is 3x plus here 3 plus 2, that is how much? 5. So 3x plus 5. Otherwise you can follow this method. If you follow this method, simply 3x plus 5 this will equal to 2a into x plus 2a plus b. So what about 2a? This will equal to 3. So a this will equal to 3 by 2, and 2a plus b this will equal to 5. So what about b? B this will equal to 5 minus 2a. A is 3 by 2. So 2 to cancel. We got 5 minus 3, that is 2. B is how much? 2. And a is how much? 3 by 2. So you can say that 3 by 2, I also clear? 3 by 2 and b is how much? 2. Okay. So if you follow this procedure, so we got a and b. Otherwise simple procedure like that one. So same value, a is 3 by 2 and b is how much? 2. Clear? Now this one is t, so that one dt. So we basically focus on that part. X square plus 2x plus 3 is how much? How can make perfect square? This one is done. X square plus 2 into 1 into x plus 1 plus 2. So basically x plus 1 to the whole square plus root 2 to the whole square. Okay. So this one written 2x plus 2 dx divided by how much? X square plus 2x minus 3 plus 2 into this one written dx divided by how much? X plus 1 to the whole square plus root 2 to the whole square. Okay. Now what about that value? Simply this one written 3 by 2 into log of this one t, that one dt. So log of x square plus 2x minus 3 plus 2, simply that one written 1 by root 2, this is 2, so root 2 into tan inverse x plus 1 upon root 2 plus c. So you can say that 3 by 2 into plus root 2 into tan inverse x plus 1 upon root 2 plus c is the right answer. Okay. Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Now, next problem is also clear. So I will explain again simply. This one written numerator is written as a into differentiation of denominator. So written like that one plus b. After that compare, okay, x coefficient 3, then we got 2a this equal to 3. Then we got a is how much? 3 by 2. After that constant 2a plus b this equal to, here constant is 5. So we got b is how much? 2. These two value put here. Okay. After that simply this one, if this one is t, so that one dt, so written like that one, and this one make perfect square, so written like that one. So here 1 by a, basically this one is matching formula corresponding to integration of dx divided by x square plus a square, that is how much, 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a. So written like that one, okay, and plus c. Okay, so final answer correspond to that one. Now we have focused on next problem, question number 6. In 6 is integration of x 2x plus 1, that is 2x plus 1 into dx divided by under root of minus x square, okay, minus x square plus 2x plus how much, 3 is given. Then how can solve? Okay, first of all everyone can try. How can do? Okay, simply numerator is written as a into differentiation of denominator plus new constant b. Okay, after that you can calculate a and b, okay, and then put that value. So you can say that 2x plus 1, this will equal to a into differentiation of denominator, that is minus 2x plus 2 and plus b. Now 2x plus 1 is written as minus 2a plus 2a plus b. So a is minus 2a, this will equal to how much, 2. So a is how much, minus 1. 2a plus b, this will equal to 1. So b, this will equal to 1 minus 2a, and here 2 into minus 1. So we got how much, 1 plus 3. So basically that is 4. B basically 4. Now these two value put here. 2x plus 1. A is how much, 1. So simply written 2x plus 2 into dx divided by how much, x square plus 2x here a is minus 1, so minus 1 into something, okay, here minus and plus 3. What about b? B basically 4, so 4 into dx divided by how much, this one written minus x square plus 2x plus 3, okay. Now after that, look here, this one is very easy. If this one is t, that one dt. But how can solve this type of problem? First of all, make perfect square. How can make perfect square? Look here, minus x square plus 2x plus 3. Always before making perfect square, first of all x square coefficient positive and 1, but here negative, so minus, take minus common, so x square minus 2x minus 3. After that make perfect square, this is 2 into 1 into x, means 1 adding and 1 subtracting, then written minus 4. So what about that value here, x minus 1 to the whole square, okay, and minus 4. So you can say that is 2 to the whole square minus x minus 1 to the whole square, okay. So basically that part is written, replace 2 to the whole square minus x minus 1 to the whole square. So written here, this one minus 1 into minus 2x plus 2 dx divided by how much, simply minus x square plus 2x plus 3. Now that is plus 4. Here dx divided by how much, under root of 2 square, 2 square basically this one is 2 square minus x minus 1 to the whole square. Okay, what about that value? Very simple. If this one t, that is dt. So you can say that t to power minus half dt is equal to 2 into root t plus c1. So integration of that one returns finally minus 2 dt. So 2 under root t. So 2 into plus 4 into this one corresponding to formula. I know that a formula dx divided by a square minus x square is how much? That is sine inverse x upon a. So basically x is how much? X minus 1. And what about a? A is basically 2. So you can say that this one it is sine inverse x minus 1 upon 2 plus c. So final answer is how much? Minus 2 into under root of minus x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 4 into sine inverse x minus 1 upon 2 plus c is the right answer. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Here 4, here 4, here 3. Basically here plus 3. So written plus 3. Silly mistake. Okay. So make it. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. I will explain again. Look here. Our motto, how can solve this type of problem? Simply, if this is numerator and this one is denominator. So numerator is written as a into denominator. Denominator basically differentiation of this part. Like that one plus b. After that, calculate a and b. So a is how much? Minus 1 and b is how much? 3. These two value put here a and b, then we got like that one. If this one is t, so that one is dt. But how can you integrate this one? Simply this one make perfect square. So how can make perfect square? If you want to make perfect square, so basically this part minus x square plus 2x plus 3 written like that one, 2 square minus x minus 1 to the whole square. After that, that part replaced to that one, so written like that one. Okay, and this one written, and integration of this one, if this one is 1 upon under root t dt, so t to power integration of t to power minus half dt, that is how much? 2 into root t. Okay, so t basically how much? Under root minus x square plus 2x plus 3, and this one is matching corresponding to that formula. Integration of dx divided by a square minus x square is how much? Sine inverse x upon a plus c. So that's why written. So x basically x minus 1 and a replaced to 2. Then we got like that formula, that answer. Okay, make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay.